Hello guys, this is Monketh from ITS Service Cell Phone Shop Repair. Today I want to guys show you one things. I have an iPhone 8 come to the shop today. It came to the shop by someone I know. He say, oh yeah, I replaced the screen. He worked with bolts, and what happened is the phone works but no backlight. So you guys see this my phone. This is the two connectors, the main connector. What people do, they always, when they try to take the screen connector, they do it from this way. And I'm telling this because the experience, because I fixed a lot of them. So I just want to show you guys what I mean. Like, do you guys see this here? The rubber, put some alcohol on it for a while and then you can just like take it like that. See? Okay, and then I took it. Watch guys. You see this filter here? How is it broken? That's a backlight filter. See how it's missing? So for sure we don't have backlight. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna replace it and then we should have backlight again. So I just want to show you guys easy things. You don't have to open the whole phone, you don't have to check other things. First thing you have to do, ask the customer, hey, did you replace the screen by yourself or someone? And then you can just see it under the microscope. Okay, good. So I'm gonna fix it and I pause video. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate all. This is my phone now. I put a new one for iPhone 8. I always use the iPhone 7 backlight filter, and now we're supposed to be good. I'm just gonna test it in 1 second. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put the screen and test it. I like to put the camera filter too. Okay, hook up the battery. It's my iPhone 8. 1, 2, 3 power. Yep, we have backlight again. So we back to business. iPhone 8 with no backlight problem. How will you fix it? First, you just have to check the connectors, make sure there's nothing knocked out when the technician tried to change it. So we back to business. I put iPhone 7 backlight filter and now my phone is working. Just gonna wait and see. Yep, trying to see, touch very well. Yep, it's good to go. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I wish you guys all the best.